Good afternoon. It's 12:31 and I'm in the van fixing to go pick Deborah up. Today we are going to it's not a cookout because, well, it's the park. The RV park is having a get together, potluck I guess is what it's called. But the meat, we're gonna have brisket, and that's provided. We are taking let me do this again because I had can't turn the air off. It's 900 degrees here. It's hot, close to 100 anyway. But we are going this afternoon. We are going to a potluck here in the RV park, and one of the couples is providing the meat. Can I do this? And, well, that's weird, isn't it? And we are taking potato salads. We bought potato salads. We bought 2 different kinds of potato salad. And we're taking that. But right now, I'm going to go pick Deborah up. Hello. And we signed up to be the cleanup crew. We signed up to clean, pre-clean and post-clean. So we're gonna go clean the tables and get everything ready for the potluck. So we're at the brisket cook-off thing. We've got brisket and baked beans, potato salad, mashed potatoes, salsa, potatoes. Oh, that's macaroni. And that's macaroni. Potatoes. Good morning. I am going to, first thing, harvest this tomato. Look at there. Yay. There's one little baby. Little baby. I still don't know how many. There's 1, 2, 3 on this one. No jalapenos yet. Had lots of flowers, but no jalapenos. Lots of weeds. I thought I would just give a little update on my leg. It seems to be, must not jinx myself, a lot better today. Just my ankle. Out of all this, my ankle has hurt me worse than any of it. And the last 2 nights I've been putting ice on my ankle, and it's looking a lot better. I know the lighting's probably not that good, but it's been really swollen right here and really red and warm. And the heat has seemed like it's reduced a lot, and some of the swelling has gone down and the redness has gone down. So I'm really happy about that. And so today I'm gonna do the same thing. It itches. Isn't that weird? I guess the skin is stretched, but anyway, it seems to be doing a lot better today. So I'm gonna keep a lot of ice on it today, on and off, and try to stay off my foot more today. And but I have not taken the bandage off today to look at that, so y'all won't see that forever when it's fully healed. And see, look at the scar. But anyway, That's doing a lot better today. So we are about to watch a movie. We're in Deborahs Casita, newly, well, it's not built, but newly finished out. And it's got some furniture in here. She's got her desk in here. And this little couch love seat thing. Oh my goodness, this is perfect for a tiny home. It's a 2-seater. This goes down one level and then it folds up underneath, or it comes up like this and it makes into a bed.
And I'll be giving a full tour soon.
Yes. Right now she's getting, this is not my laptop. That's my little TV. And the volume doesn't go up high enough for us to watch it. So she's hooking up her laptop.
And we don't have the cables. That's not Bluetooth capacity.
Yeah, it's
so we don't
old.
have the cables to hook to an external speaker.
Yeah, I have a cable at my house, but I don't want to go. I've already been over there once.
Yeah,
So
no,
she's hooking.
I brought all my loose cables to figure out, because I need to charge that too. So I'm going to charge it while we're watching.
Oh, and it's working because it's playing the. I don't want to show it on TV. I mean on YouTube. Anyway, my leg is in the laundry basket with a sheet over it, and I have the bandages off, and it looks so good today. And I mentioned earlier that my ankle was not as red and as swollen, and so this is day 1 of it looking a whole lot better. There's a puppy dog, and there's a puppy dog. I don't know where Deborah's going to sit.
They'll share.
They'll share. So we're going to watch a movie. We're going to watch Seabiscuit.
Yeah, I've been wanting you to see this for a long time.
Yeah, I don't know that I've watched it before. Bandit's new little bed. And this right here is temporary until she gets a
sideboard or
buffet or some kind of little thing to go there. So her desk is so cool. I haven't even shown, it's the finished walls. Very cool. All right, we're gonna watch a movie.